But first, this evening, the money trail of the kickbacks in the Augusta Westland chopper deal. How did the bribe money reach the cousins of former Air Chief SP Tyagi? CNI has accessed more details in the Italian probe report. In a statement, Hashke, the key middleman, alleges that he contacted Julie Tyagi, cousin of SP Tyagi, through other accused Garosa. Hashke goes on to allege that he met SP Tyagi along with his cousins and took other AW representatives Zappa and Chiampe for the meeting. He claims this meeting took place in February 2005, just when SP Tyagi had taken charge as Chief of Indian Air Force. A total of 4 lakh euros was sent through Hashke and Garosa for mediation in India. Advocate Ketan was the person responsible for transferring the funds to the Tyagi family. And breaking his silence for the first time, one of the main accused, Julie Tyagi, has denied any links with the Augusta Westland deal. He said he had nothing to do with the defence sector and claimed that he hasn't spoken to his cousin SP Tyagi since 1999. Julie Tyagi spoke to our editor-in-chief Rajdeep Sardesai a short while back. Take a look.
First place, it is said you were the person who was in touch with the Italians, and in particularly a middleman by the name of Carlo. Can you tell us whether you know Carlo and what was your relationship with him?
Yes, I know Carlo, and my relationship dates back to almost about 1999-98 in the power sector.
You are saying that your relationship with him dates back to the power sector, but the fact, sir, is that the Italian report says 100,000 euros were paid to Sanjeev Tyagi in 2006 by someone called Hashke.
No, absolutely no. It's a total lie, Mr. Sardesai. Total lie.
The belief is that you were using your access to SP Tyagi to reach out to the Italians and acting as middleman. That's the essence of the report.
Okay, I must tell you, first of all, he's my cousin.
Yes.
But since 1999, we were not even on talking terms because of some family problems. Right. Now, only when my father died in 2007, I met my cousin, and then the relations started resuming. But absolutely no relation with him during this period, and since I was not on talking terms with him, how can I approach him? How can they approach me?
Did you take Carlo ever to meet Air Chief Marshal Tyagi? Because in the interview yesterday, Air Chief Marshal Tyagi told me he had met Carlo on a social occasion.
Yes,
and the report says we met 6 to 7 times.
In the wedding, when Air Chief must have retired, maybe in the family function, when if Carlo was here, incidentally, that was the reason. Otherwise, I don't remember, and there is no such meeting which took place officially or even unofficially, because we had nothing to do.
It is being said that an engineering company had been created, and it was through that engineering company that many of these payments were routed. Are you saying that no such engineering company exists, which you
nothing. I have nothing to do. I don't even know what engineering company you're talking.